Hi, it's Tiziana. So for the month of May I bought some new nail stuff, but most of it hasn't arrived yet. But I got one of the polishes that I'm going to use today, and it's from Glam Polish, and it's called Beyond Belief. Really beautiful polish. I love this combination of colors, the neon green and the pink. And then I also bought a new color alike stamping polish. Beautiful purple color. And this one is called Sweet Dreams. And I've been looking at this for really a long time. And I wanted to buy it many times, and it was always sold out. So now I finally got it. I bought myself a new top coat. So I watched this one, and I saw it was somebody use it, and it was really shiny, and she talked very good about this, so I bought it. And I have tested it, and it's amazing. So this is gonna be my favorite top coat, I think. I always like to try new things, new brands, and this one is for sure one of the best I have tried so far. And a new cleanup brush. This one is from Miti. It's an angular one. Normally I buy from What's Up, but I thought I wanted to try Miti this time. So I'm gonna start today wearing my peel-off base coat from Picture Polish. And this one is my favorite peel-off base coat. The stamping plates I'll be using is Clear Jelly Stamper. This one is LC-04, and it looks like this. Full of fairies. I've never used this plate, it's new. Or maybe I've used it once, I'm not sure. Then I'll use JR96, which is a plate that I've used millions of times. It's a good plate.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away. From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Cold skin, drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor. And I know we haven't talked in a while, so I'm looking for an open door. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me in a waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely.
My videos, I always only prefer to make one coat. I only make 2 coats if it's strictly necessary. Otherwise, I prefer 1 coat.
And I can't stop myself.
So this is 1.5 coats. 1.5 coats means I go over it only some places. So now I'll stamp.
This night is cold in the kingdom. I can feel you fade away.
Today I'm using my Überschick stamping card and my Moyu London stamper. This is a sticker I applied myself.
Through the cracks of your cold embrace, so please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Cold skin, drag my feet on the tile as I'm walking down the corridor. And I know we haven't talked in a while, so I'm looking for an open door. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me in a waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And I can't stop myself from falling down. 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 Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down.
So now to the super new top coat. So this is so good, you will see it when I apply it, how shiny it is. I hope you can see it at least.
If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. This night
Can you see there how shiny it is?
I can feel
It's
you
just,
fade
I
away.
haven't experienced top coat like this.
Bathroom sinking.
I have many good top coats, it's not that, but
Don't cut me
this one is really good also.
here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down.
Remember to leave a like. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. I upload my own designs once a week. Once a week I upload it to my channel. You're very welcome to subscribe. See you next week.